Ahoy!
Today we're in St Davids.
Behind us is one of the oldest cathedrals in Britain, and it's been here for the last 1500 years. And we're going to go and explore the smallest city in Britain with Ralph.
Say hi, Ralph.
Enjoy! Behind us is where the bishop used to live, and as you can see, this absolute lad had a massive house.
One of the biggest in St Davids. Or something like that. Oh, it's rain, I think.
No, that is bird sh**. The bird just crapped because they're all in these nests.
No, it's rain. It's raining. I feel
No,
rain.
no, it's bird poo.
I feel rain.
It was
It's raining.
It was white.
I feel rain.
Came down white on me.
I'm telling you, it's raining. I feel rain.
Right guys, St Davids complete. The smallest city in the whole of Britain. We saw the bishop's house, we saw the cathedral. It's 1500 years old. Small town, most importantly, it's not a turd town.
Now
Ralphie?
onto Fishguard.
Ralphie, what do you think?
Did you like it here, Ralph? Maybe he'll like Fishguard a bit better. See you later.